Johanna, I'm from Germany.
I'm Max from Germany. I'm a designer doing my master's degree in Iceland right now.
Okay, I'm Elena, I'm from Venice.
I'm Bianca, I'm from Berlin.
Hi, I'm Anshika, I'm from India but I study interior design in Milan.
I'm Cecilia.
I'm Francesco.
I'm Sofia.
Ludovica.
Umberto.
Elena.
We're here for a workshop hosted by in-residents, led by Johanna Seelemann and Nicolas Zanoni.
I must say that I understand the choice of Marco and Barbara for choosing us and putting us together because we have such a different approach. I may be more into the gesture, intuitive and on the moment, where Johanna is also more about long-term research and diving a bit more through.
It's been nice to be confronted, like, let's say, with those two ways of thinking and working, and I guess we've been quite complementary.
No, because we don't know where we're going. Just a big boat, you are the motor, we are the direction, maybe a little bit, all of four, and let's see where the boat goes. We don't know, and we'll see, we'll find out.
So the participants have been working initially individually and then they were paired in groups of 2. So we asked the participants to do in a very short time a tool, which then at a later point would be picked up and transformed further. And then they've been randomly, or through a small performance, been reshuffled, and part of which have continued working on a subject and new people have been coming in. And lastly, those same ideas were merged together into 2 larger group projects.
So Rome became a field of experimentation for this idea of metabolism. Because this topic was for us obviously a sharing idea, that everybody had to bring something for a commune project. So this idea of collectivity also for me is really important in general. And here for the workshop, it was important that we blend everyone together. So there is no one answer to this giant question of the metabolism.
Metabolism, I think it's like a subject that's becoming more and more relevant again, and it's also kind of infiltrating in different disciplines. Whether that has to do with your personal metabolism, to the extent of using metabolism as a metaphor to explain larger systems. And I thought it was very interesting to link it to design and to do a design workshop about it.
What we try to reach, it's not an answer to the topic, but more a dialogue, an ongoing dialogue that we had together with the participant, with us as tutor, with Marco and Barbara also that was helping in this whole process and this whole dialogue all together.
Pretty interesting to be here at the Macro Museum in Rome because it's a place that gives us like an external input as well. So on one hand we're working on a certain subject, which is like metabolic scenarios, but then we have visits in between and we just get a certain stimulus that helps us develop the ideas further or to think in different directions.
We interpreted the term metabolic scenarios as a system, a city as a system that is always changing, always in motion. Material systems, energy flows, infrastructure, and we wanted to use our project as a moment to stop and perceive your surroundings and create a moment of peace.
It was also the idea of linking directly to Rome, because most of the time in Rome you have a lot to see as a tourist, and we wanted to use the bed as a symbolic idea of taking time to rest.
The name of the device is Tall Key. So it's about slowing down people in the city while at the same time they focus on hidden parts of the city that we want to reveal.
And we are addressing a more underlying problem of the cultural scene in big cities in general, of gentrification.
And also how art could be a tool for better dwelling, better livelihood for also local people.
The project is about developing an urban device. It's like an inverted binoculars through which you see through the bigger circle and you focus on these hidden parts of Rome, which people would otherwise not see in the city.
When working with the participants, it is interesting because you meet people that you've never met before that bring different, let's say, locations and cultural backgrounds with them.
It's so interesting also to take a moment to not be in your own practice for a week and to develop ideas and to see also the creativity of younger future designer, see how many ideas they can produce in an hour actually.
What was really cool about this workshop was prototyping as much as we could.
It was interesting because we had to really be productive.
The things that brought me here was the need to be a part of a very cool and inspiring environment.
We can't just work towards a preset goal, but we actually really need to react to all the individual thoughts and reflections. And that's something which I really enjoy because in a way within those few days you're forming a small community and you become like a hive mind that's constructed of all those people who participate. And if it was a different constellation, we would have completely different results.